Hello children, today we are going to do the chapter What Books and Burials Tells Us. This is the continuation part as we learn some part of this chapter in the previous class. Today we are going to learn continuation part of the chapter. And in the previous chapter we learned what is Veda, what is the significance of Vedas, and what are the various contained in Vedas. That's what we learned. And today we are going to learn the topic Story of Megaliths. So let's know first what is megaliths. Stone boulders are known as megaliths. So big stone boulders are known as megaliths. And these megaliths are carefully arranged by the people of that time and used this as a mark of the burial site. So with the help of this we can find out burial sites of ancient time. And next we move on to some common features of the burial site or burial place. We have pictures here, some common objects found along with that skeleton. The date were buried with distinctive pots, which are black and red ware, and skeletons, horses, ornaments, and some iron tools are also found. So here we have pictures of the objects found along with the skeleton at burial places. And here one of the example or one of the picture to show you what are available in the burial sites. Here is a picture of women and an infant, burial of infant and women at the place called Harappa. This burial was disturbed in antiquity, possibly by ancient Harappan grave rovers. Beside the fact that the body is fleef and the pottery disturbed, the left arm of the women is broken and the sail bangles that would normally be found on the left arm are missing. So that's proof that this was disturbed by the robbers. The infant was buried in a small pit beneath the legs of the mother. And after we have this picture, we know what is there in the place of burials, what are the things available there. And with the help of that thing, we can have some idea, some information about the society of that time. And another picture here is also showing the burial site. The body was placed inside a wooden coffin which later decayed and entombed in a rectangular pit and surrounded with the burial offerings in pottery vessels. And the man was buried wearing a necklace of 340 graduated statite beads and 3 separate pendants beads made up of natural stone and 3 gold beads. A single copper bead was found at his waist. So see, things available with the skeleton are different. Then we have able to know about social difference with the help of evidences available from the burial site. In Brahmagiri, one skeleton was found with 33 gold beads, 2 stone beads, and 4 copper bangles. Other skeletons are not having any ornaments, and this shows social status among megaliths contains more than one skeletons. Sometimes one megalith contain only one skeleton, and sometimes we find more skeleton. So stone circles or boulders serve as a signpost to find the burial site. And after we study there, we find there was social difference in society in ancient time. Then we have a special burial at a place called Inamgand. It is a site on the river Ghat, a tributary of the river Bhima. Here, adults were buried in the ground, sometimes buried even inside the house, within the house itself, and the vessels with food and water were placed with the that. That means that they, from here also we can have knowledge that there was a belief among the people that people after that go somewhere to live like that, as they are putting food and water. It suggests that belief. One burial vessels with 4 lakh clay jar was found in the courtyard of a 5-room houses. Then we have a burial place picture here. See how they organize and how the process of the burial place. You can have a clear idea. Then we have occupation at Inamgan. What were the occupation? With the help of the various evidences collected from the place, people know that archaeologists find many things. With the help of that, people know agriculture and animal rearing were practiced, as seeds of wheat, barley, uh, and the fruits like bur, amla, jamun dates were available, and buffalo, goat, sheep remains were also available. So we know from that finding that occupation at Inamgaon were agriculture and animal rearing. And we have location of Inamgaon. Here we have picture, and you can see this place is in present day Maharashtra. So with this we end the chapter here. I thank you all.